we have a we have a
Thank you.
wonderful bunch of people. I'm telling you, I am so proud of this batch of people, and they are very, very good. And thank you once again for being here. So, all yours, Aditya.
Thank you, Arvind sir. Hi, everyone.
Hi,
Uh,
sir.
Yes,
so,
sir. Hi, sir.
hi. So,
Hello.
you all are with the Team I, with the students.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, let me give you a short brief from where I started. I started way back 2000. Yeah. So, I started doing promotions initially, and then I think last Instagram also me and Arvind sir discussed a short brief on how I started. I would again narrate it to you. So yeah, so I started with promotions, and I did uh, initially I only did entertainment events. Yeah, so basically pub events, fashion shows, and your musical nights and etc. So the drastic change what happened to me was corporate events. At those days, event management was more of only New Year parties or DJs or club parties or fashion shows. Corporate events was there, but then it could go in such magnitude, or it would grow in such magnitude we no one knew it unless we got into it. So when we got into it, it changed a mindset, like a lot of things. Doing an entertainment event is different, doing weddings is different, doing corporate events is different. FMCG, I mean, there are a lot of things. We are different verticals altogether, and every vertical has a different challenges and outputs. What we look at, so it's on every individual how you take it up. Some would be master of very being very creative in weddings. Some are like they are too good on handling live events, handling artists. So there are various kind of different vertical of sectors where you guys can choose, right? But then as an experience you should do everything. Do corporate events, do weddings, do club events, whatever comes your way, because every sector will make you learn, they will make you understand different mindsets of different people, how they think. Right, artist has a different mindset, corporate giants have a different mindset, your normal local friends who wants to get a wedding done, they have a different mindset. So everyone has a different mindset, and knowing all these people, you will learn a lot, right? And down the lane, 5 6 years, you will have that focus. Yes, I think I am very polished in doing corporate events. I am very polished in doing weddings. I am very polished at doing entertainment events. So have the success, but at least till 5 years have that experience of all, to have knowledge. You should be master of all, right? You should know everything. So as just a suggestion or input, I would always tell you all that do all kinds of events, do promotions, anything which leads you exciting, right? And unless you are excited, unless you are passionate about, you cannot be in this industry. Please leave saying that, oh, this I can do, this I can do that, we can make quick money, we can do this. Yes, everything comes, everything comes very slow. It will come in a very good way. You have to have patience, you have to have a lot of integrity, a lot of honesty towards your clients, everything. Just be nice, be subtle, and be grounded. Everything will fall in place, everything will fall in place. So my little graphic, I mean, now I'm also into film production. Couple of years I was handling films, I did a lot of audio launches for films, I did a lot of promotion for films. I got interest and I executed. 2 3 years I was only monitoring, I was just seeing what happens, how a film is made, what all goes on filmmaking. See, event is something where you can execute, say, a big event, a magnitude of 2000, 3000 people requires at least 2 to 3 months of good prior execution and planning, right? But then film requires at least a year. I mean, if you are a nice budgeted film, you at least require a year to execute it. Your pre-production work, your script writing, your licensing, your artist lineup, there's a big way where you need to keep sorting, and to make one film it takes 1.5 year. But yes, there are big budget films which is wrapped up in just shooting, just takes 40 45 days. Pre-production work takes 3 months. Post-production work takes 3 months. So that is 6 months and another add 1 month. So 7 8 months, good 7 8 months is nowhere gone for making a film. Okay, now we are not getting into the film, we are into events. I just gave you a breakup like kya hota hai usme. Event, a good event is always as better as much you plan. There are events which will suddenly come to you. You will only have 1 week. Analyze, can we do all this? And the best thing is you should always have a backup of every data, your vendors, your clients, your fabricators, your artists. You should have tip of the tongue, not if tip of the tongue. Of course, you can maintain, your data sheets, your Excel sheets, wherein you have all the data of all numerous various, you know, your vendors and your artists. I mean, if I need something, you should have that number. So to do this, where do you do this? How do you do this? You need to socialize. You need to, now I think it's very pretty easy. Everybody's on social media. You can always connect to them anytime. So now it's pretty easy. But those days, social media was not so as it is today. So, they used to send us an email. They used to send us a CD copy. They used to come visit our offices stating, I'm a DJ, I'm a singer, I'm a musician. So, just keep taking them, see their performance. It is just not taking their bio. You have to look at their performance also, how good this MC is, how good this DJ is, how good my fabricator is, or how good my vendor is. Unless they are good, you cannot do anything. You have to have confidence in them. Then only you can approach, or you can tell your clients, he's good, she is good, he is good, right? So clients also do suggest you to, please give us options, what the best we can do it for the events. So, you know you need to analyze the entire event. If it is a conference, who will suit? If it is a live event, if it is entertainment, who all suit in that particular category? If it is a serious conference, then you have stand-up comedies. See, you just need to throw a good little ideas to clients, stating that, sir, this is a serious conference, let's have some stand-up comedy, because it's whole day it's like serious and a little boring and stuff. You can have entertainment, you can have dance troupe, various things you can keep doing. But here it's always like you got to be very serious on everything what you do. Making checklist and do as many events as you can. Be on ground. Arvind sir does lot of events. Yeah, he does lot of campaign, lot of stuff. So you have to be a part. Be a part in office. Be a part in ground wherever you can. Want to be do a part. You please do it. It is just not business development. If you're a project manager for certain project, you are responsible for everything, right? So you are responsible for your execution. You are responsible for A to Z. Client, end of the day, the client is going to ask you. They're not going to ask your executing team, or they're not going to ask your production house. So you need to be on toes for doing everything on a very smooth and flawless things. After all this, having your checklist, having so many things, still there are little errors, things just go haywire, all that happens. You don't have to panic. Things happen, things go wrong. It is just that at that particular moment you need to improvise. You need to make sure the event is there, right? So this is like just a short brief and few things and few of my inputs of my experiences I've just shared with all of you. Okay, now let's have, let's be a little interactive. I see so many people, right? So I would want to ask one of you. I'll call out the name, and I want to know why is that you're doing this course and what do you want to do, right? So I think I can start with Surbhi Sinha. Can we? Can you please tell like how? You know why are you doing this course and what excites you and what do you want to
Well, after completing my graduation, I just there was my sister's wedding, and somehow there was few problems, and I got into it, and that whole situation like motivated me that this is the thing that you need to go for it, and not the accountancy and the back office thing. So that
what is
was
the
it.
label
I needed
yeah.
a.
Yeah, please
Sorry,
continue.
sir, I didn't get you.
Yeah, please go on.
Yeah. So that was the thing, and I wanted to know about this field, the whole, not only the weddings and all, the whole event management thing. And then I started searching. A year took me to get into this team I, but after eventually everything fall in places and I got to join this
Great,
team.
fantastic. So how are you feeling? How is it till now? How's your experience?
Right now, I haven't attended much classes because of some reasons,
Right.
and I have started from today, so it's like having a good experience. And previously, I had attended two classes.
And what challenges did you face on that wedding and what did you execute? If you can just brief me in short.
So it was like at the last moment, the decorators were not ready to decorate it on the way that my sister wanted,
Okay.
and it was like some budget issues. And then the caterers were also not there, and especially the tents were falling apart. So my father was
Okay.
not there at the moment, and we are only three people to manage: my mom, my dad, and I. So I took the initiative. I was in college second year, so I took the initiative and I like guided them and started working with them so that it can be like a successful wedding.
So did you try and solve those solutions? Did it come out
Yes,
well?
I tried my best, and in the on the wedding date in the evening, everybody was praising the decoration and all. So that kind of thing, many suggested me. Even the decorator also suggested that you should try this out. You are good at this. So I thought, let's try it out. Let's give it a try. And then I searched and all, and it gave a kick to me so that I can start my
Nice.
career in this.
Nice. Thank you so much. So yeah, so on this, I would, just I'll add in a suggestion. So you had issues with your vendor stating, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that. Why? That question. See, this comes with a panic situation. On that particular times, see, this is your sister wedding, chal jayega, right? Nobody is to question you. You are the one who are answerable and all those stuff. But when a client gives you that amount, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, or even a crore to do a massive wedding, they are not going to sit and listen ki why, what, and all those stuff. So always, if
Exactly.
vendors are your, you can say yes, they are god. Treat them well, they will do all well. See, most of the vendors are not highly educated, but they are fantastic at work, right? It just because it's not that just because they're not educated they cannot do this, or you are judging them just because they can't talk or they can't communicate with you properly. No. They have an art of their own levels, right? We cannot judge them on any level, right? But always do not have a communication gap with anyone till the wedding. Be it anyone, be it your caterers, be it your shamianas, be it your anyone, anything. Keep interacting, keep messaging. I hope this is done. You need to follow up. You have to follow up. When you follow up, they will tell, if in case if they are facing any challenges, they will immediately update you. right? And if you're not in touch, or if you're not at all this thing, अरे ठीक है उनको दे दिया है, वो आ जाएंगे, कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा, no, 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 no. ठीक है, this is your sister's case, but that's fine, you are the owner, but then you cannot do this, take this risk factor with your clients. Client is going to fire you, they will hold you responsible. They're like, boss, I don't know, I gave you money, what are you doing? I don't care from where you do it, please do it. And that particular time you have your entire team who's like panicked, or things are bad, you don't know what to do and all that stuff. Always do not keep any communication gap unless your event is finished. Be it your vendor, be it your artist, be it your caterer. If you do not keep your communication gap and you have a checklist and you keep following them, things will fall in place. Still, there will be hiccups. Still, there will be a little challenges, but then all that can be sorted, now and then. But then you have to have that. Thanks, yeah, thanks, Survi. I'm glad you wind it up and you took that initiative and all that. That is how you need to be. It is just not your sister's wedding and everything what you take, or everything what you take the ownership for. Once, even if you do mistakes, you have taken the ownership, client sees nahi yaar ye banda kaam kar raha hai, lekin unfortunately things are not falling in place. There are circumstances, no matter how much you work hard, if the day is bad for you, it's going to be a bad day. Yeah, so it happens. You need not have to panic, or but make sure you handle those situations. These situations won't come if you have a proper checklist made, no communication gaps. Make sure you call one day before to all your vendors, all your artists, boss, you need to be on time, this is the setup timings, you need to finish the setup by this time, all that, and things will gradually start. Okay, Sanjay. Hi, Sanjay Nadig. Hi.
Hello, sir.
So
Hi.
can you please tell me something about yourself, and how exciting, and what do you feel? What do you want to do?
So I'm Sanjay. You can see the name. I am from Chikmagalur. Uh, I am in this course because very simple reason. I don't want to do a 9 to 5 desk job every day. I think event management is something dynamic and exciting. It's a lot of hard work. I know that, but I want to do hard. That's my reason.
Excellent. So whatever I've been telling, I see that you have a wonderful headphone, and I
Thank you,
hope you're
sir.
not listening to music and you're listening to me.
Definitely, I'm listening, sir.
Yeah, cool, cool, cool. So that's what. So have you done any previous events or any college activities or any experience a little? What do you have? Nothing.
Zero, sir.
Okay. So you are reside in Chikmagalur or Bangalore?
Koppa Chikmagalur, sir.
ಕನ್ನಡದವರಾ ನೀವು?
No, sir, Kannada.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Namaskara, sir.
Nice. Fantastic. So Nagaraj Reddy, what do
Hello,
you
sir.
say? What do you do? Hi.
Hello, sir. Myself, Nagaraj Reddy, sir. I am from Kalburgi, Karnataka. I am become graduated, sir.
Okay.
I just come across with this course, means there is a lot of opportunities in event management nowadays.
Yes.
I want to open a new company in HK region, Hyderabad, Karnataka. There are a lot of there is no event manager companies in that area. That is making to event management.
Nice. So what scope do you see in your area? ಏನೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? I mean, do you do promotions there? Have you seen any promotion events happening there?
Now see, last 3 years, there is a lot of events are going on. It's like some of local films and music concerts and all. There is a fest also going on, and G Media also doing events in HK region a lot.
Nice.
And politicians also making HK region some, that's like.
So you like it? You like
Yeah.
doing all this?
Yeah.
Good, great. So you keep learning. You know do a lot of interact with them. You yourself can go. You tell them, sir, naan idu martini, adu martini. I can do this. I can do that. Just start interacting. Start getting involved.
Okay.
More in-person experience you will get. So,
Huh.
hi, Nivedita Bala. Hi, Nandita. Sorry, Nandita Bala. Hi.
Hi, sir.
Hi, hi.
Hi, myself, Nandita. I'm from Bangalore. So my journey on this, it's just 1 month since I joined team, right? So the reason was like from past 5 years, I have noticed myself, like I decorate, I make my family members' birthdays, anniversaries, special, like I decorate myself. I get
Nice.
new ideas. So that's
Okay.
where I explored myself that I have something related to event management that I can give ideas.
Super,
So
super. We are based in Bangalore.
yes,
Nice.
I'm doing my B Pharmacy course, but I didn't find much interest on that, so I thought I'd just jump into it. I do what I like. So it's just
Lovely.
from the passion.
Have you organized any birthday parties by your own?
By my own, not bigger one, but only within my family members.
No event is bigger. Every event is bigger. Make it big. You just need to make it big. Every event is big.
Can I share some pics?
Yeah, please, please. What is it? Please.
By the time you can ask some.
Okay, fine. No issues. So hi, Jhansi Rani. Wow, Jhansi ki Rani. Kothala Jhansi Rani. Okay, hi.
Hi, sir.
Could you please tell me, I mean, spell your name again? What is it? Kothala
Uttala
Jhansi Rani.
Jhansi Rani.
Oh, nice. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Where are you from and what interests you to be a part of event?
I'm from Anantapur, sir, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, okay.
Sir, I love to be creative.
Telugu chepstanda?
Sir, Telugu?
Telugu?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Would you like to
See,
speak Telugu, sir?
being an event manager, we have
This is
traveled all city and we know all languages. We should know. I am not fluent in Telugu, but then, I try because vendors and everyone, they don't know Hindi, they don't know English. So we coped up. I somehow coped up and, I understand. Now I can speak well.
would you like to speak now, sir?
No, yeah, please. You go on. No issue.
You want to interact in Telugu? Then I'll continue in Telugu.
Anything. I'm fine with it. You please tell me what is your area of interest, and how is
So
it? How would you do?
I love different cultures first,
Okay.
and event management will definitely make us to learn different cultures and languages too. That's also the main reason. So this is the main point for me to join event management. And I
Yes.
love to be with the people and to see their emotions once after completing the event.
Fantastic. This is the main thing, that emotions, we event manager create emotions. We first create and then people celebrate. So when they are celebrating, you can see that emotions, you can see that happiness, joy. And no matter how tired you are and how much you worked hard, you just go back to your hotel rooms or your particular home or wherever you are, you're like satisfied, like, wow, what an
That
event
one
it was.
word from them that you made my day, like that. That word really gives us a boost for us.
Yes. Have you done any events?
In my PSC second year, I did our freshest parties.
Okay.
Freshers' Day.
Nice.
And girl child day in our degree.
Okay, so what all you handled? What all you managed?
All in freshers party, I handle everything. So like from invitation card and talking to the functional person
Correct.
and decoration, everything we managed. Catering also.
Superb. Nice. So
Thank you.
Preeti Paran, thank you so much, Jhansi Rani. Nandita, you are ready? You wanted to show me something? What is it?
Can I share my screen if you don't mind?
Yes, please. Yes, please do.
Hope everyone can see it. So this is for my parents' anniversary. I decorated my upstairs rooms.
Wow, nice,
It was me and my brother alone who did it.
nice, 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 nice.
There are other videos, but I cannot search in a short time. Sorry for that.
No, no issues, no issues. Fantastic. Nice, nice.
That's where I
Good.
explored. I had to get into this stream.
Very good, very good. Nice, nice, nice.
Thank you, sir.
So, I will come back to the other students. So, here, very important is unless you're passionate, unless you have the zeal to do it, and unless you have that courage, see things, if the moment you get the brief, finish your work then and there. Do not wait, Array, we'll do it tomorrow. We'll do it in the evening. Array, I'll call him tomorrow. Event is after 1 week. No, I'll call him later. Event is after 10 days. No, I'll call him later. No, 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 no. The moment you get a confirmation, please start following up. You should immediately start booking. There are various things which will happen. And you yourself will see, though you have 10 days of fraction of time, and the day when you come to the event, and you'll see, oh my god, 10 days back I was just telling it's, we have a lot of time, we have 10 days. You blink your eyes, your 10 days is gone. You arrive on the event day and you'll start panicking. Oh my god, oh, this is not done, that is not done. Why all that? Always make sure your vendors are blocked. The moment they are blocked, you only start communicating to them till your event happens. Your food tasting is very important, whichever caterer it is. You have all the rights to pre-check everything, and it's not right. You have to do it as your duty. Make sure your lights are there. You have a very good vendor who understands what is technicalities, who understands what is, who understands you basically. If he understands you, rest, he'll take care. During the event, 80% vendors take care of everything. Do you all know this? If you have executed, planned properly, you have called your vendors to the meeting and briefed them, this is how I want, this is how it has to be done. I do not want any glitches. This is what, and if he has any challenges or glitches, he will put it forward. 80%, when you walk into the venue, your vendor is done. Your stage is set, your fabrication is done, your AV screen is on place, your lightings are set, everything is set. I have few vendors, sometimes I don't even go to the event. Sir, आप क्यों आ रहे हो? We'll handle, leave it. They themselves becomes event manager. Sir, why you are coming so far? I'm there, no, I'll take care, don't worry. So that trust you need to build. And that trust even you should have, no, even in case if I'm not there, my vendors will take care. But then, don't make it a habit of not going there. You are the owner, you are the principal contact for your client. No matter if your vendor is good, fantastic, amazing, please make sure you're there. Yes, there are some instances, sometimes you have a challenge of not making it up, but still you have to be there because you are communicating to the client. There are a lot of things you don't know, you don't have to tell your vendor, nor the vendor needs to know what is happening, right? So again, it's just a mutual understanding and the trust what you build. But then make sure, just because you have a good relationship with the vendor and you just go on and we are like, just be relaxed, oh my vendor is taking care. Please don't do that. Make sure you're there, make sure your team is there, make sure as per the brief given to your vendor, everything is taken care before the client comes, not after the client comes. Because when the client comes, they will fire you, they will not fire your vendor. Yeah, so never make that mistake or never be overconfident on anything. Always pre-work, always, if you're making checklist and if you are on with everything, you will have a very smooth event handling. So I can talk to Jayesh Jain. Hi, Jayesh. What do you do, brother?
Hello, sir.
Hi.
So myself, I am Jayesh Jain, and I am from Kola.
Okay.
And I just completed my 12th in the year 2020. After that, I was wondering what to do and not to do the degree as all do.
Okay.
And I got to know about the event management and did a little research and got to know about the Team I.
Okay.
And I joined the Team I in the December of last year.
Okay.
And I think I have been the part of two events. First event was in the March, which was the IKFW, which was India Kids Fashion Week.
Oh,
I
okay.
was India Kids. I have been part of India Kids Fashion Week for 4 days.
Where did this happen?
They happened in the Bangalore, sir. Forum Mall, Bangalore. Forum Mall.
So was this done by Manish?
No, sir. There were two event companies actually. One is Lakshya Event and Event Capital. Two companies were there.
Lakshya events. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rohit sir and
Yes.
I
So what
was
did you
I was
manage
at
there?
the photo booth, sir. I and one of my senior, which are the 18 batch students, were also there on the event.
Okay.
So one of my senior and me were on the photo booth. We had handled parents, kids, and even the photographer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what my experience for the first event. And there were many mistakes that some photos were not printed at our time. The photographer was not present at the time, so we had to manage all this.
Mm-hmm.
And there were some mistakes we had to figure it out and make it come.
Fantastic. You all did that.
And
You all
there,
handled.
yeah, me and one of my seniors
Good.
were at the
Good.
photo booth.
What did you like about the event?
That I had a great experience. Actually, it was a fashion show of the kids. I had a good experience with doing the event, and got to know many things, how the event goes on, what are the problems, how to cope up with them. Yeah,
Nice.
that's and I was being a part of second event, which was MCX Live Research.
Mm-hmm.
It was a one-day event, so we were called up to attend a seminar about the commodity market and share market.
Nice. Okay. Okay.
So these are the two events which I have attended from the team myself.
Good. Good. Keep doing groundworks and keep doing. That's where your experience is. You're with the best of institute team. Arvind sir has an amazing magnitude of contacts, and you guys can grow phenomenal. Phenomenal. Good. 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 Karthik Teli. Hi, Karthik.
Hello, sir.
Hi. What do you do, Karthik?
So recently I completed diploma in civil engineering.
You are very less audible. I can't hear you. Can you be a little louder, please?
Sir, recently I have completed diploma, sir, in event
Okay.
civil engineering.
Okay. You're from Bangalore?
No, sir, I'm from Belgaum.
Belgaum. Okay. 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 So you have done any previous events?
No, sir, till now I haven't done any major events. Just some college annual days. That's it, sir.
Okay. 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 Cool. Cool. Thank you so much. Nice. So everyone, what I want to tell you is,
Can I show you something?
yeah. Please, please, please.
This was our house opening, sir. House opening ceremony.
Mm-hmm.
I had
Okay.
this.
So you handle the decoration.
Yes, sir. I like decorating.
Nice. Very nice.
That's it, sir.
Very nice. Good. So yes, these little small events, you can get it in your home itself, right? You don't have to watch. You don't have to go and watch out for others. Do do your first events at home and then go do a lot of events outside also. There will be just just for sake of something you have listened or something, please just don't join events. Events, you have to be very passionate and very serious about it. You just don't have to join because he's joining, my friend is joining, I have nice seen lightings, I have seen a lot of events, and just join it off, right? You have to see whatever the course you are applied or you're doing, you have to excel yourself. You have to make sure whatever you're gaining knowledge, do a lot of practical events also. There are various agencies now, there's 2 tier, 3 tier, there's a lot of little minor places also. You have a lot of agency, there's a lot of work, branding. Just go, just use this, sir, I want to be a part. They'll always take you, be it as manpower, be it as a volunteer, be it as a freelance event manager, a lot of things, unless you get to a company. you know if you are sharp and if you are good enough, and then you excel in your presentation skills, make presentation, make budgets, lot of things. I mean, if you just dip yourself into the pool, you'll only keep swimming all your life. You'll swim and you will not come out of it. It'll be so wonderful and superb experience. You will have knowledge meeting different people. As you know, I even discussed with Arvind sir, we are one profession where we require a vendor who even grooms. We require a vendor even who caters to VVIP also. We require everyone: security, police, traffic police, PBMP, your groom, everyone is associated. You do one event, I think there are 50 different profiles will come and join your profession. Yeah. When you're doing a live concert, you need doctors on board, you need ambulance, you need fireworks, I mean, you need fire brigade, you need permissions, you need police, you need cops, you need bouncers, you need hushers, you need volunteers. Then you have your technical team, your sound team, your light team, your backstage management. Your team is nothing less than 100 to 200 people managing an event which is easily a size of 5,000 to 10,000 people. You need it. Then your caterers. So that is like, there's so much, and you cannot do everything. Please, yeah, there are challenges initially to hire someone or something. There is a lot of free options, there are a lot of free freelancers, and who handles your events. You need a team. You cannot handle alone. Please never do a mistake of handling things alone. Though you have vendors, though it is a 50-man event or a 100-man event, have one or two people with you always. There is always a sudden requirement, there is always a sudden pop-up requirement, there's always some glitches, challenges. You have to have people. Don't think, oh, it is a small event, I'll do it alone, I'll handle alone. No, 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 no. You cannot do that. If you can handle, well and good, but then why do you want to take chances and why do you want to stress yourself? Health also is very important, right? So there are flights which are early mornings, there are buses which are early morning, there's trains which are early morning. You need to plan. If tomorrow you are traveling, you need to plan yourself that I am equipped and ready for all my event. For example, in Mumbai, tomorrow I'll be catching a flight, going, reaching the hotel, doing the check-in, have just freshen yourself, go meet the team, do the decoration, do the setup, make sure your evening event is on. Oh, it's not that you're just casually getting into the hotel, enjoying, taking your own sweet time to do things. You cannot be lazy, you cannot just time out like that. As I said, The moment you start your execution, you blink and your time will glow. And when you go to the venue, that's where you will even get to know what are the things and challenges coming your way. Unless you go to the venue, see things happening, not happening, you cannot. I mean, you all guys showed me a little presentation and deco. You yourself must have faced a little few challenges here and there. So you had your brothers, you have your sisters, you have your friends who coordinated with you, helped you. Your things, you got it sorted. The same thing, every event, you have to do this. Please don't take any event lightly, because someone is paying you, they need the best of services. And today's market, we have lakhs of event companies, like there are like huge competitors around you. When I started, there were 10 event management companies. Today we have 10 lakhs event management companies all over. Every road, every next, I mean, there's no uh, uh, there's no challenge, I mean, as such. But then there's competition, there's a lot of competitors with you, there's a lot of competition. You give one quote, client will have 10 quotes with them. You can't be disheartened, and the same quote will have different prices for the same requirement what they want. So you need to learn all this, how to handle, what to handle. Of course, you need to be street smart. That all you will gradually, slowly learn. Everything at one day, if you think I've done one event, I am the king, I've done the best of, no, no, no. I have been 16 years in this industry. Even if I'm doing an event tomorrow, I have so many new things to learn. What are the new things you learn? Tell me. The new things is, I have a new client. I have a client whose mindset is new. He needs something new. My old experience is what? Sound, I'm sorted. Fabricators, I'm sorted. I have the best decorators. I have the best caterers. I have the best artists. I have everything in my tip of my hand. But what challenges would you face when you meet a client? The client will say, "Hi, Aditya. I have, I have my daughter's wedding. I want Hrithik Roshan to perform." Just to take that, uh, that deal. So, sir, don't worry. We will talk to Hrithik. I know Hrithik. I will just call up. I'll right away do it. You don't worry. Things will happen. But are you aware that Hrithik is interested doing wedding events? You don't know, right? Yeah. There are a lot of things like this which will just pop up. So you need to keep knowledging yourself, right? Who does what, who does this thing. As and when you keep doing, you'll learn. You have to have this. There are some people who don't do wedding events. They just come as a guest and leave. They will not perform. There are few celebrities who will just send a video bite congratulating the family, that this and all those stuff. Lot of things. It is just not celebrities. I want this, I want helicopter, I want people have come in cars, people have come in ghodas, people have come in dolies. I want my daughter to come by helicopter. Is that feasible? Can that happen? Cannot happen. You need to be knowledged. It can happen. If he's ready to pay, it'll happen. Why not? Right? So you pay so much, please take the government permissions. If government allows at that one particular height, if everything is there, and if he's a millionaire, he'll do it. You should even be knowledged what can happen, what cannot happen. Please do not false promise to a client just to take that project for you. I just gave an example of helicopter and Hrithik Roshan. A very small examples. I need an Audi car, or I need a Rolls Royce car. I need my daughter to come in a Rolls Royce car. I need my daughter to sit on Ghoda. I need elephants. There are so many things. You need to be ready with everything, and it's not one. Especially in weddings, be it corporates. There are 10 people who will question you. There will be 10, 12 people, there'll be 5 people, and then their VPs, their senior VPs, their managing directors. This is, I'm talking about corporates. When it comes to weddings, our appa, our tamma, our uncle, or chachi, or yuru, all will come. All will give you one ideas. Do like this. They are more, they are highly educated. They know events, they know everything. Why you are doing like this? I will talk. Hey, hing madri. Do like this, I say. Do like this, I say. You do what you want. Because you are an expert, you need to tell them, sir, this will not look good. Sir, this will look good. Of course, whatever little suggestions they'll give, it is good enough. Sometimes it works. But sometimes they just give suggestions like out of box, and you go home and you start laughing. What requirement they are sending us? It happens. Aditya, I want my entire wedding to be like Chennai Express. We will do wedding in station, it seems. I got one requirement. I said, okay, do you have permission from Indian Railways? Do you have government? All that I will take care, boss. You don't worry. I said, okay, fantastic. We'll do it. What happened? Nothing. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Which government, who will allow you to do a wedding in a railway station? Nobody. So, all this is all fun. You meet so many people with different ideas, different mindset. It is fun. You will know what kind of mindset these people have. I told Matar paneer should be cream. Why is it green? Why is this carpet blue and why is it not red? You had promised me red and you gave me blue, and you gave me gray, you gave me yellow. अरे यार, कारपेट है, शादी करो ना. कारपेट को कौन देख रहा है इधर आके? But then there are so specific. See why I'm telling you all this. There are so specific, and they are very rigid at times, stating that no, I told you green carpet, I need green carpet. Why this green carpet is not there? I am deducting your money. You will face these clients. I'm telling you, I'm not scaring you. You will. I'm not scaring you, but you got to be prepared with every kind of different mind of people whom you meet. And some clients are not bothered. Are kuch bhi kar de yaar, kuch bhi DJ baja lo yaar, ayyo maad bisakri muksana uta madi hogta irana. Do it fast, yeah, finish it off. They are not bothered. On the meetings and on the emails, they will be so serious. When they come to the venue, they're like not bothered. Music is on, event is going on, your dinner is open, they have a gala time, they are like relaxing, enjoying, going off. So you get every kind of a client, every kind of a different people. So what I'm trying to tell you is, you will have different kind of people coming and meeting you. This is the best thing in events. Which profile meets such people? Tell me. You get to meet police people, you get to meet police officials, traffic officials, ambulance. You meet so many people, different people. You need to explain them, this is what we are doing, you please come and be with us, help us, make sure our event is successful, and all those stuff. So they are there to guide you, help you, take care of your event. If it is an outdoor event, they will all take care, they will all do it. So event management is something which is, you'll have sleepless nights. You can see my dark circles, no? See? This is how it is. There's no proper food. I mean, of course, we have all the leverage to do anything, but we are so passionate. There's no sleep. We keep doing presentations. We keep doing online. There's so many stuff we do, but we need to even take care of our health. You have to have proper sleep. You have to do a lot of things. See, if you do your things before, you can peacefully sleep. And if you have not done your work before, whole night you'll be awake doing those things, which will make you even more stressful. Small events, big events, whatever comes your way, please start doing. You will keep enjoying, you will keep enjoying. And don't take this profession very lightly. And if you're very serious about it, keep excelling. You will keep growing and growing and growing. This is it. If any one of you wants to ask some questions or any doubts or anything, you can please interact. I think next 10 minutes I can have another small interactions with you all. I hope you are not bored, no? I see 2 3 people interacting and laughing. Others are like, I don't know what they're doing, and are they watching movies or watching movies? Pata nahi. I hope you are listening all. Hello everyone.
Yes, sir, we are
Yes,
listening.
sir, we are listening.
Yes, yes.
Good. Fantastic. I hope you all liked.
Yes, sir, it
Yes,
was.
sir.
Yes, sir.
We learned many things. How do we manage an event?
Yes.
All those things.
Anyone has any questions, any challenges, or any some moment, if anyone wants to share, this is the challenge I got, or this is something out of box I heard. Anyone? Okay, Arvind sir is there. He is not there. Is he around?
No, I guess he'll join.
Okay.
He's not.
Hmm. So I see Priyanka Mehta. Hi Priyanka.
Hello, sir.
Mehta, आप हिंदी हो, नॉर्थ इंडियन हो?
Yes, I'm North Indian.
कहाँ से हो आप?
Coimbatore, sir, Tamil Nadu.
तमिलनाडु कहाँ?
Coimbatore.
अच्छा, मेहता वहाँ कहाँ पहुँच गए? What do you do?
Sir, I'm a graduate, sir, from BSc Visual Communication, and now I joined event management.
Nice. Have you done any events, Priyanka? Early?
Yes, sir. Yes, I have done. I was
Where?
a part of an organization, so I did a carnival event there. I was heading that event. So yeah, it was a fun event. It was a one-day event, sir. So I had faced like the people of decoration, marketing, and everything. Yes, I have done an event.
Where, in Bangalore?
No, Coimbatore only, sir.
Coimbatore. I have done lot of events in Coimbatore. Nice place. Hi, Preeti Haran. I think we have not spoken, Preeti.
No, sir, we haven't.
Hi. What do you do, Preeti?
So I'm also a graduate from BSc Visual Communication. I
Okay.
also stay in Coimbatore.
Wow. Have you eaten Coimbatore biryanis?
No, sir. I'm a vegetarian, so not that.
No, you can eat veg biryani. When did I say you non-veg biryani?
So I'm not a biryani fan, sir.
You're not a biryani fan. You being in Coimbatore, if you're not eating biryani, then how can you be a biryani fan?
No, sir, I don't like so many vegetables and all.
You don't like vegetables?
Not so many, sir.
Okay, well, tell me what's your favorite cuisine?
So I like Italian, sir.
Okay. No Indian food.
No, sir. Preferably, I like Italian.
Okay. Home food, simple home food, what do you take?
Dal chawal.
Best. Lifelong food, that is.
Anytime, sir. Anytime.
Nice. Superb. So anyone want to ask anything, please be free. Yamini, hi. I don't think so we connected. Yamini, did we?
No, sir.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Good. I'm at least scrolling down and I want to interact with everyone. Yes, Yamini, what do you do?
Hello, sir. My name is Yamini. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I have done my diploma and worked as a GBS technician for 7 months.
Yeah.
I joined TMI because I wanted to do something different apart from 9 to 5 job. So I left my job and I sat and I thought what I'm good in. So I was active in conducting birthday parties in my family, friend circle, all that. So I thought, why not event management? And I joined.
So do you know you didn't wanted to do 9 to 5 job, correct?
Yes, sir.
Our job is 24 hours. Do you know that?
24 hours. Yeah, I know.
You know it.
Yes, sir, I know it. I don't want to do the regular thing. 9 to
Nice.
5 is so boring.
24 hours excites you?
Daily we get different to do something, not the same, no, sir.
Very true. Yes. So I think that's pretty exciting if you're doing different types of things for 24 hours. Correct.
Yeah.
Super. Arvind sir, hi. Where were you? I was just looking for you.
I had to go out, so I stepped out and I said, let me catch you again.
Fantastic. I've interacted every student of yours. It was really, the interaction was fun. It was very nice. And they are so very energetic, very passionate about doing things.
These are the best students in the world.
Yes. See, being in Coimbatore, they don't like biryani, it seems.
We will not take that route. हमारे पास ये मारवाड़ी छोकरी लोग बहुत है, but we compensate with Nandita Bala, who is going to make mutton biryani for me on Sunday, and I'm going to her house.
Sure, sir. Always. Tamil Nadu biryani you'll get, sir. Tamil Nadu style.
Superb. On that note, Aditya, I'm sure the students have had a great time, and thank you so much. But I will get one of these ladies to give a formal vote of thanks, so that I think it's Jansi, right? Or Yamini? Jansi. Yes. So all yours, Jansi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It's a great pleasure to have you. And we felt your experience, and we'll use your experience as a guide in our event management career. And thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm really honored, and it was wonderful interacting with each one of you. So you all are very passionate. Keep doing this and keep following, and things will all fall in place. I would love to have you in one of my projects. Anytime, I will definitely keep interacting with Arvind
It's
sir,
our
and I would love
pleasure.
to meet you all.
It's our
I will
pleasure.
take you all in under one project, so sure.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
Thanks,
much.
Aditya. Thanks so much. Thanks, people. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much.
Thank you, sir.